noon.
New at noon, the family of Stephon Clark speaks, demanding justice for the 22-year-old unarmed black man shot down by police.
All of I heard is boom, boom, boom. I just heard it and I just got on the floor.
An emotional testimony from Clark's own grandmother describing the night he was shot 20 times by Sacramento police in her backyard. Good afternoon to you. Thanks so much for joining us. I'm Julissa Ortiz. Police say they believed he was pointing a gun at them, but that gun turned out to be a cell phone. CBS 13's Lamore Abrams is live at City Hall this afternoon. Good afternoon to you.
Good afternoon to you, Julissa. We watched as Stephon Clark's grandmother was so emotional here at City Hall. She had to be wheeled out of here in an office chair. And that emotional account coming just moments after the family attorney, high-profile civil rights attorney Benjamin Crump, made a highly anticipated announcement. Crump telling us that the family has hired an independent company to conduct its own autopsy of Stephon Clark. Take a listen.
We had solemn obligation in preparing for an independent autopsy to go view Stephon's body. No family should have to endure this pain and suffering as they try to seek answers for execution of their loved one who is only holding a cell phone, shot 20 times.
It's lack of trust in the community, and it's bringing the trust back. That's why we need, and that's why I understand that he's requesting that.
And they can tell if he was killed from the back or if he was killed, what was the point of entry that was fatal.
Now, those NAACP activists are also calling on Sacramento County's DA, Marianne Schubert, to return their phone calls. All that coming as they continue talks with the feds, the Department of Justice, to launch its own investigation into the Stephon Clark shooting. But that has yet to happen. They say they have to go through some big steps in order for the feds to intervene. Also, this press conference was supposed to touch on a possible federal lawsuit. Benjamin Crump, the attorney for the family, however, did not talk about that. He said because it was just so emotional, he literally stormed out of this building with the grandmother of Stephon Clark as she just couldn't stand the emotions, the pain, all those memories coming back from the night just last week of her grandson's death. Back to you.
All right, Lamore Abrams live for us this afternoon at City Hall. Again, 1 week ago from that shooting. And of course, we have also learned that activist Al Sharpton says that he is coming to Sacramento on Thursday to attend Stephon Clark's funeral. Sharpton says he's looking for justice.
You cannot have laws, as they do in Sacramento, that empower police to be the judge, jury, and in this case, possibly the executioner.
Sharpton says even if Stephon Clark was breaking into cars, as police allege, that isn't a reason for the death penalty. CBS 13's coverage on the killing continues at CBS13.com. There we have the police body camera video as well as a look at last week's protests. Happening right now.